lot number 3052, D as in dog. Here we have ourselves a 2000 Yamaha SUV 1200. The engine is locked up on this machine, so we're going to tear it down into parts. If you want parts off this machine, give us a call, 218-844-4968. Marto's Motorsports, located in Detroit Lakes, Minnesota. It's a clean boat. The hull will also be for sale. Every part on this machine will be for sale, including the hood, the mirrors, the gauge, the trim, side compartments if you want them. I'll probably just leave them on the hull. Haven't decided yet. Jet pump, rear boarding ladder, so on and so forth. Here's the compartment. Seats are a little dirty. Try to clean them up before you list them. There's the motor. Thanks for stopping by.